Welcome to Daily IQ. Today, 15th August 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 10 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. What is the theme of 78th Independence Day of India in 2024? Answer is Viksit Bharat. India is observed its Independence Day every year on 15th August to commemorate the end of nearly 200 years of British colonial rule. In 2024, the theme for India's Independence Day is Viksit Bharat, meaning Developed India. However, when 1947 is considered the starting point, 15th August 2024, it actually marks the 78th observance of this momentous occasion. Question number 2. World's oldest calendar was discovered in. Answer is Turkey. Archaeologists have discovered the world's oldest calendar in Turkey. The pillar, estimated to be nearly 13,000 years old, is adorned with 365 V-shaped symbols, each likely representing a single day. This design reflects an advanced understanding of both solar and lunar cycles. The calendar includes 12 lunar months plus an additional 11 days, indicating that ancient societies had a sophisticated grasp of time. Question number 3. Who has been announced the 2024 Lata Mangeshkar Award? Answer is Anuradha Paudwal. On 13th August, the Maharashtra government has announced the Lata Mangeshkar Award 2024 to the Doya Anuradha Paudwal for her unforgettable contribution in the field of bhajan and classical music. Anuradha Paudwal is an Indian playback singer and politician who works predominantly in Hindi cinema. Her contribution in Indian devotional music and Bollywood industry gained her the titles such as Bhajan Queen, Melody Queen. Question number 4. What is the range of Gaurav, a long-range glide bomb developed by the DRDO? Answer is 100 kilometers. The Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, has successfully tested its long-range glide bomb, Gaurav, off the coast of Odisha. The smart bomb was dropped from the Indian Air Force's Su-30 MKI fighter plane. Gaurav is a winged long-range glide bomb which weighs 1,000 kilograms and has a glide range of 100 kilometers. The Research Center Imarat, RCI, Hyderabad laboratory of the DRDO, is developing long-range glide bombs named Gaurav and Gotham for the Indian Air Force. Question number 5. Which union ministry has launched the Floodwatch India 2.0 app? Answer is C.R. Patil. The Floodwatch India 2.0 app was launched by the Union Minister for Jal Shakti, C.R. Patil, in a function held in New Delhi on 13th August 2024. The Floodwatch India App 2.0 provides real-time information on flood situations to users across the country through a smartphone. The Floodwatch India App 2.0 is an upgraded version of the Floodwatch India app launched in August 2023. Question number 6. Which union minister has launched the Amrit Gyan Kosh portal? Answer is Jitendra Singh. On 12th August 2024, Dr. Jitendra Singh, Minister of Science and Technology, launched the Amrit Gyan Kosh and Faculty Development Portal under Mission Karmayogi during the Civil Service Training Institutions CSTI convention at Vigyan Bhavan in New Delhi. The Amrit Gyan Kosh portal is a comprehensive knowledge repository that offers access to India-centric case studies, reducing the dependence on Western sources. Question number 7. who has officially taken over as the Indian ambassador to the United States? Answer is Vinay Mohan Quatra. Vinay Mohan Quatra has officially taken over as the Indian ambassador to the United States. Quatra succeeds India's former envoy to the United States, BJP leader Taranjit Singh Sandhu. Quatra served as the 34th Foreign Secretary of India from May 2022 until 14 July 2024. He previously held the positions of Ambassador of India to France and Nepal. Question number 8. Rana Ashutosh Kumar Singh was appointed as the Managing Director of. Answer is SBI. Rana Ashutosh Kumar Singh has been appointed as the Managing Director, MD, of State Bank of India, SBI, for a 3-year term. He will be leading the Risk Compliance and Stressed Assets Resolution Group, SAG. Mumbai Circle's former Chief General Manager, Gajendra Singh Rana, has replaced Rana Ashutosh Kumar Singh as Deputy Managing Director, DMD, of Retail and Real Estate. Question number 9. Who has been named as the ICC Men's Players of the Month for July 2024? Answer is Gus Atkinson. The International Cricket Council, ICC, has named Gus Atkinson of England and Chamari Atpattu of Sri Lanka as the ICC Players of the Month for July 2024. Gus Atkinson, the 26-year-old English fast bowler, made an unforgettable entrance into Test cricket during England's ICC World Test Championship Series against the West Indies. His remarkable performance played a pivotal role in England's comprehensive 3-0 series victory on home soil. Question number 10. Who is set to honored with the Hilali Imtiaz Award? Answer is Arshad Nadeem. The javelin throw gold medalist in the Paris Olympics 2024, Pakistan's Arshad Nadeem, is set to be honored with Hilal-e-Imtiaz by the Pakistan's government. Hilal-e-Imtiaz is the second highest civilian award given by the government of Pakistan. Pakistan's athlete Arshad Nadeem won gold with a throw of 92.97 meters, setting a new Olympic record and surpassing Denmark's Andreas Thorkildsen's mark from Beijing 2008. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.